In this video session we will be discussing about PID control design using MATLAB file as well as Simplify. PID, proportional integral derivative control. The combined operation of these three controllers gives control strategy for process control. The main concept of PID controller is it manipulates the process variable with help of this proportional gain, integral gain as well as derivative gain. As you can see, this is the MATLAB code for PID control design where PID function is used. Before going into the main code, I have made a small table just to show what is the effect of PID on rise time, overshoot, settling time and steady state error. Whereas proportional gain will decrease rise time and increase overshoot, and it will decrease the steady state error. And you can see integral gain will decrease rise time, increase overshoot, increase settling time, eliminate steady state error. Derivative control, there will be a small change in rise time, decreases overshoot and decreases settling time, and small change in steady state error. Further in code, by varying these Kp, Ki and Kd values, we will see how response can be varied. Now going to the code. Then this is the transfer function model for a level control. Gp is equal to transfer function of num comma 10, which creates a transfer function, that is Gp. First we will see the open loop response of this transfer function, that is plant, open loop response of this plant. After that, closed loop response of this plant by giving a unit feedback, that is h is equal to 1. As you can see, m is equal to feedback of Gp comma h, which creates a closed loop system with unit feedback. After that, we will introduce a PID controller and we will see the controller effect on the plant. If you run this code, Gp is equal to, this is the transfer function, that is this is the plant and this is the closed loop plant. Before seeing this, as you can see, this is the open loop response. As you can see, settling time is somewhere near 50. It is between 40 to 50 in open loop system, and you can see in closed loop system there is an oscillations, and the settling time is near to 10 seconds in closed loop system. As you can see, when control action is introduced, the settling time is 0.15 and there is no overshoot and the values are properly tuned. Or you can calculate these Kp, Ki, Kd values by using Ziegler-Nicholas or Cohen and Kuhn methods also. Or you can tune these parameters by trial and error method. Now we'll just see what will be the effect by tuning these methods. As you can see, increment value and run section. As you can see, increment will select an option where you can increment this value and run it, increment value and run session. First I will try to increment the proportional gain value, that is +1. As I can see, there is a overshoot and settling time is also affected because of increase in Kp value. Now if you see what will be the effect of derivative controller if you increase derivative, as I have shown in the table before, this will be the effect by varying the PID value. And now getting into this Simulink. As you can see here, this is the open loop system. First we will check the response for the open loop system, and after that closed loop system, and after that after we will introduce a controller. Now if you run this code, as you can see, same response as open loop system is stable and it is settling somewhere around 40 seconds. Now if I check for the closed loop system by giving a unit feedback, this is the response, that there is an oscillations and settling time is somewhere near 9.5 and it is having some oscillations also. Now we will include a control action. You can find the PID control block in continuous in Simulink library. after introducing PID controller. Once we'll check the response. As you can see, you can enter PID values here. Same values have been entered here also, just to show. As you can see, system is stable, but it is showing very negligible overshoot, and we are getting a stable response at somewhere near 2.5 seconds in simulink model. It all depends on the PID values as I shown in this table. This is the effect of proportional gain, integral gain, and derivative gain on closed loop system. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please use comment section below and subscribe for more updates regarding control system or MATLAB and LaTeX. Thank you.